Identify the instrument. So if you see this instrument, this is golden in color, and this kind of instrument can also be Teflon plated, bluish in color, and they can be silver in color. So color doesn't matter much. But if you see the tip of this particular instrument, you'll see the serrations here and claw-like appearance, and that is specific to the piezoelectric tips. It's not that piezoelectric tips will be having the serrated heads only. There will be other kind of tips as well, but since that is specific to the piezoelectric surgery only, and that's why these are frequently asked in NEET MDS, even the INI-CET exam. So mostly they'll give you the serrated ended ones only. So before going deep into the kind of tips which we have, I'll be just discussing the advantages of the piezoelectric surgery. So piezoelectric surgery, as we know, there is minimal bleeding, okay, or we call it as bleedless surgery also, right? So there is selective cutting of the mineralized tissue. So it is a hard tissue surgery, okay, and mineralized tissue, there is very selective cutting, only selective cutting, and very conservative. Yes, there is very less trauma to the soft tissue, significant reduction of the trauma to soft tissue. So less trauma to soft tissue. Then we have the, yes, there is cavitation effect, and that's why there is less bleeding, and that is known as the reduced hemorrhage. Okay, so there will be less hemorrhage due to the cavitation effect. Yes, there can be excellent visibility within the surgical field because there is minimal bleeding, and there will be high illumination LED lights, and there will be very effective irrigation by using these tips, right? So that is going to do the very precise cutting. Okay, so there will be limited vibration, amplitude, and specific design of osteotome tips. So basically the precise cutting is very important feature of this, and yes, visibility, which is very vital part of any surgical field, right? So there will be excellent visibility because there is minimal bleeding. Okay, that's why there will be good visibility. Yes, then there will be curvilinear cutting can also be done. Curvilinear cutting. There is no damage due to the heat, no thermal damage, no chances of bone necrosis due to the thermal effect. Yes, if the temperature is more than 72 degree due to the friction of the mechanical instrument, that can lead to the necrosis of the bone as well. Even above 49 degrees Celsius also there are chances of necrosis, right? So that you have to understand. Then the sterile irrigation, that is known as the steam sterilization, can be effectively placed in this. Okay, so these are the very important features of the piezoelectric surgery, and this is one of the piezoelectric tip here. Okay, so if we just see the other kind of tips which can be seen, yes, the claw-like tips are there that you can easily see, but you can have the burnisher-like tip, the straight tip, okay, the hatchet-like tip. Okay, so the tips can be different. Yes, but for giving you the hint, most of the questions are based on these claw-like tips here itself. So coming back to the question, the instrument here can be clearly identified as the piezoelectric surgery tips. So answer is 2.